Here I've got Realme 5 Pro, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select language and region right here, and at first you can select the region. So click here, and from the following list you can pick the region. And now let's go to the language. So as you can see, you've got a wide list of languages here. Just pick the one that you would like to apply, and let me pick, for example, Portuguese, and let's go back. Okay, so it hasn't been applied. You have to click on done then, so let me pick Portuguese one more time, tap on done, and change the default language to Portuguese. So as you can see, now the whole device is in Portuguese, so you can smoothly use your phone, use your Realme 5 Pro in your native language. And then if you'd like to change it again, if you'd like to go back to English or pick some other language, just pick the settings again. Now locate and open languages and input, go to the languages and choose the one that you want to have. I will go back to English, and then tap on done. Confirm that you would like to set it as default, and as you can see now, it's back in English. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily change language in your Realme 5 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.